Exclusive EaseUS offers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at EaseUS, and I'm going to be telling you about their exclusive offers. So let's get into it, especially Taiwanese version. So if you're someone for Taiwanese or you want to use the Taiwanese version of EaseUS, this video is for you. So make sure you check the link in the description below for more information. It'll also give you the link to the website along with some of the other offers and promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page. Now I am going to be continuing with the normal version since everything is written in English and I don't understand what Taiwanese is. So just to be safe, we're going to go ahead and continue with this one. Now, EaseUS is basically a software that has multiple different softwares embedded within them, right? So for example, they have screen recorders, video editors, they have AI voice generator, they have partition maker or partition manager, data recovery wizards, and they also have a EaseUS mobile mover. So basically you can move one data from one phone to another if you have multiple phones or you just bought a new phone, right? And it's actually pretty simple to use. You can go ahead and download any of these softwares individually as well if you want. So this is the race expert. This is screen recorder for capturing on computer. This is the video downloader. This is their Mobi mover. This is the Mobi locker. So they have tons and tons of different softwares, and you can see all the countries that they operate in. So you should be good to go. So you can go ahead and download individually, or you can download their whole bundle, which is this one. This is like their whole family bundle. It has all these different softwares within them. You can see right here, they have the partition maker, eraser, lock my files, disk copy, key finder, everything. So you can go ahead and go with that one, or you can come over here at the top and just find the individual softwares that you want, and you can just download them one by one, or, just simply come over here or sign up as well. Again, link will be in the description below. So if you want to sign up, simply hit the sign in button over here. And here, if you don't have an account, just simply hit the sign up button over here. And you can create an account by either your Google, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever social you want. And once you're signed up, you should be good to go. And then here you have all of your special offers available that you can go ahead and avail. And here you can see you can go ahead and buy this for 79% off. And again, if you click the link in the description below, you'll get an additional discount as well. So pretty simple. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.